Finding the perfect gift for your boyfriend. Whether it's for his birthday, your anniversary, Valentine's Day, or just because, I've got you covered with a full list of gift ideas that are thoughtful, fun, and sure to make him smile. Let's get started. First up, personalized gifts. These are gifts that feel truly special because they're made just for him. You can go with a custom engraved keychain that has your anniversary date or a special message. Every time he picks up his keys, he'll think of you. Another great option is a custom photo book. Fill it with pictures of your favorite memories together. You can add little notes or quotes next to each photo. It's personal, it's emotional, and it shows you took the time to create something meaningful. There are also custom wallets, bracelets with coordinates of where you first met, or even customized phone cases with a photo of you both. These small touches make a big difference. Next, let's talk about DIY and sentimental gifts. These are perfect if you're creative or working with a budget. One idea is the "Reasons I Love You" jar. Get a mason jar and fill it with little notes, each one saying a reason why you love him or a favorite memory you share. Another fun option is making a date night box. Put together a box with everything you need for a cozy night in: popcorn, snacks, a movie list, and maybe even a pair of matching socks. You could also write him a handwritten letter. Not a text, not an email, but a real letter. Talk about how much he means to you, how he makes your life better, and what you look forward to in the future. Trust me, he'll keep it forever. Let's move on to practical gifts. These are things he can use every day. Is he into fitness? Then a quality water bottle, gym gear, or even a smartwatch could be perfect. If he's a tech lover, look into Bluetooth earbuds, a charging station, or a smart tracker for his keys and wallet. For the boyfriend who works from home, consider a desk organizer, a comfy chair cushion, or even a mini desktop vacuum. It's the kind of stuff he wouldn't think to buy himself but will definitely appreciate. Now for the fun and unique gifts. These are the gifts that make him say, "Wow, I didn't expect that." There's a product called Your Comic Story where you can actually turn your relationship into a custom comic book. It makes him the hero of the story, and it's something he'll never forget. You can also buy scratch-off adventure cards. Each card has a different date idea on it, and once you scratch it off, you have to do it together. It's a fun way to keep the relationship exciting. And if he's into cooking or grilling, a custom BBQ set or a hot sauce sampler can be a hit. Let's not forget about experiences. Sometimes the best gift isn't a thing, it's a memory. Buy tickets to a concert or sports game you know he'd love. Book a weekend getaway or plan a surprise road trip. Even a simple picnic in the park can be turned into something memorable with a little effort. Experiences give you both something to look forward to and talk about for years. So there you have it, some of the best gift ideas for your boyfriend, whether you're shopping for a holiday, a birthday, or just because. To recap, go personal with custom gifts and DIY surprises. Keep it practical with useful everyday items. Be fun and creative with unique finds. And most importantly, give with love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gift ideas and relationship tips. And tell me in the comments, what's the best gift you've ever given or received? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.